Welcome back, Truth Seekers. Today we journey further down the rabbit hole as we examine a theory that challenges our very perception of the cosmos. The idea that our world is not an open planet floating in infinite space, but an enclosed sphere capped by a colossal dome. This concept isn't entirely new. Ancient cultures and religious texts from around the world describe a firmament, a solid ceiling that arches over the earth. For instance, the biblical account in Genesis speaks of a vault separating the waters above from those below, while ancient Mesopotamian texts like the Enuma Elish describe a similar structure that orders the cosmos. These early narratives provided a framework for understanding the sky, in an era before modern astronomy reshaped our cosmic view. In more recent times, some modern whistleblowers and conspiracy theorists have claimed that evidence of a dome exists all around us. They point to observations like the seemingly flat horizon and the behavior of weather patterns as hints that our sky might be more of a projection than a vast expanse of space. Proponents argue that if we truly lived in an endless void, the curvature of the Earth would be far more apparent. While mainstream science explains these observations through the principles of atmospheric perspective and the vast scales involved in celestial mechanics, the dome theory persists in alternative circles. Critics of conventional space exploration suggest that the images and data we receive are part of a larger narrative, designed to keep the truth hidden, one where the universe, as we know it, is a carefully constructed facade. Today we delve into these claims with a critical eye. We'll explore historical perspectives, how ancient texts and mythologies envisioned a dome or firmament, and what that might mean in our modern context. Modern observations, the arguments put forth by dome theorists such as the uniformity of the horizon and the peculiar behavior of weather phenomena. Scientific rebuttals, a look at how conventional astronomy and physics explain these observations, and why the scientific community remains skeptical of the dome hypothesis. As you listen, consider this. Even if the dome theory isn't embraced by mainstream science, it challenges us to rethink the nature of our reality. Are we simply too accustomed to the narratives provided by authorities to see alternative possibilities? Or do these alternative theories hold a kernel of truth that has been overshadowed by centuries of accepted doctrine? The quest for truth often begins by questioning the established order, even if it leads us to ideas that seem outlandish at first glance. So, whether you view the dome as a metaphor or a literal structure, remember that exploring these theories is part of the broader journey to unlock the hidden dimensions of our world. Stay inquisitive, question boldly, and as always, keep your mind unlocked.